How much you would have made if you have invested $1,000 into Tesla when the company went public? $10,000, $20,000, or maybe $30,000? Wrong. Your $1,000 today would have turned into $373,000. That's the power of investing. But of course, the Tesla stock has been a huge risk because the stock has been extremely volatile. But if you actually took that risk and invested in that stock, you would have made today millions of dollars by simply investing $10,000 into such a stock. And I can give you dozens of examples. I can give you dozens of stocks that you have missed that could have turned you easily into a multi-millionaire with a small investment of $10,000 to $20,000. But here's the question. We have missed all these opportunities in the past. The real question right now is that what are the stocks you should be buying today so that your $10,000 investment will turn into millions of dollars, or at least hundreds of thousands of dollars? And that's the question we will be answering in this video. Looking back at the Tesla stock, you will see that in the first 5 to 10 years, not much things has been happening. But the moment the stock exploded, that $10,000 have turned into millions of dollars. And that's why 90% of the entire stock market belongs to the hands of the top 10%. Why? Because they know that what's the point of holding that money when that money could be invested in the stock market and it will be generating millions of dollars while these rich people are sleeping. That's when you know how you actually get rich, even if you are on a paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. But to understand which stocks you have to invest in, you have to understand how investing works in the first place. Investing is basically when you actually take money and you throw it into an asset, and that asset works on behalf of you and turns little money into more money. It's as simple as that. The real question is that how do you actually find the assets that have the capability of turning little money into more money? And when you look at the market, there's so many options that you can invest in. One of the most popular options that is very easy to understand is real estate. Everybody is either renting a place or has a mortgage. So it's very easy for your brain to digest how real estate is going to make money. First of all, real estate can always be rented out to people, and there is always demand for real estate. Almost everyone at a certain point of their lives have rented a place, which is why you understand why there is demand for real estate. Everybody needs a roof over their heads. But that investment usually is not risky at all because it's very easy to understand. There is a lot of competition in real estate. That's why when you invest in real estate, maximum that you can get is maybe 4%, 5% after covering your expenses. And to get into real estate, you have to get in with millions of dollars. Yes, there are states when you can actually buy a piece of real estate for $100,000 or $150,000. But if you want to buy prime real estate in places such as New York, you will have to spend literally millions of dollars, and you're not even guaranteed to break even in the first 5 years. And that's why real estate isn't actually an ideal option for people who have just $10,000, $20,000 or $30,000. The second option is, of course, crypto. And there are people who made literally millions of dollars by investing in crypto. But there is one problem with crypto. It is very difficult for you to understand why would the price of some crypto is going to rise. Nobody can explain for a fact why this crypto worth more than this crypto, which is why there are a lot of scams in the crypto, because they will create a coin, they will name it with something that there is a hype around it, and then there is a huge demand by everybody who want to gamble with crypto. The price of crypto rises, and the people who started that coin will instantly massively sell off their crypto, and suddenly a few people on the top made a lot of money, and everyone else who gambled on that crypto is going to lose their money. And that's why crypto isn't actually an ideal choice for people who actually want to understand why a certain investment is going to rise, so that you will make a rational investment. And that's why you need to look at option 3. Option 3 are stocks. What are stocks? A stock is basically a representation of a company. So you have a business that sells something tangible, just like a piece of real estate sells rent, sells a roof over your head. So let's take an example of Apple. Apple is a huge company that manufactures and produces the most important electronics that you use. You might be using an iPhone, an iPad, an AirPods, an Apple Watch, you name it. And because we know how much demand there is for Apple products and how much money Apple is going to generate, we can estimate the value of the business. So the more the business is going to generate, the more valuable the company is going to be. And if you understand financial statements, if you know how to analyze stocks, you can easily find its fair value and find out whether this is a good investment or a bad investment. So if you don't want to gamble like when it comes with crypto and you want to know for a fact whether this is a good investment or not, that's when you go to the stock market. And that's why the vast majority of rich people primarily made their money from the stock market. That's why the stock market is literally the world's largest market. So if you learn how to find stock valuations, you can simply analyze the company, find its true valuation, find out what its potential valuation, buy the stock, wait for the stock to explode, and now you have easily made a lot of money. Even if you have a job, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, even if you can save a few $1,000s a month and invest that money, in a couple of years, you have made yourself a fortune by investing in the right company. So the most important skill that anybody can learn today is literally investing. So on the 7th of March, I posted a list of the top 8 stocks that I believe were worth buying at that point. Because first of all, they were not overpriced. They were not driven by hype and emotion at that time. And there was a good reason why all of these stocks would rise dramatically. And one of the stocks that I suggested was Alphabet. And at that point, for some people, it seemed like maybe this is an overvalued stock. However, let's look at what happened to the Alphabet stock since the day I suggested that stock on the Investing Academy. The price went from $298 to $393. And then right after I suggested the stock has literally collapsed. And it seemed like I have suggested a really bad investment. And then I make a post on the 13th of March and I literally tell you that buying Alphabet stock is literally free money. And everybody who listened to the advice on the Investing Academy knew that this is a really good investment. I myself personally started investing in the stock, and I've told everybody on the Investing Academy that this is once in a lifetime opportunity. This is going to be one of the best investment decisions that you are going to make if you buy the stock right now when it collapsed. Now, just because the stock has collapsed, it doesn't mean that it's a good investment. You have to understand the true value of the stock, which is why I literally went on a live stream on the Investing Academy and analyzed the company live to show everybody that at that price point, the price of Google is extremely undervalued and it's time to buy the stock. And if you buy the stock at that moment, you are going to make a lot of money. And since that live stream, the price of the stock has increased by about 45%. So a $10,000 investment in just 2 months would have turned into $14,500. A $100,000 investment would have turned into $145,000. $1 million would have turned into almost $1.5 million. That's how easy it is to make so much money and double your money in the stock market as long as you understand how investing works, as long as you know how to analyze stocks, as long as you know in which stocks you should be investing. So even if you are on a strict paycheck, as long as you can save $500 to $1,000 a month, you are guaranteed to become financially independent. And now ask yourself a very simple question. What if you have $50,000 in your savings account? What if you have $100,000? What if you have $500,000? You would be today a multi-millionaire making millions of dollars just from your investments. Some people will say, well, this was just luck. It was a coincidence that you suggested the stock. Here's my analysis that I have literally posted on the Investing Academy. And this analysis was posted on the 7th of March when the price of the stock was $298. I've literally laid down why I'm buying more of Google stocks. I was already an investor in this company. And then I laid down the valuation and I have told what is the true valuation of the company. And in my analysis, I made it clear that at that point, the price of Google is not exactly undervalued, but it's fairly valued. But here are a few reasons why the stock could actually soar in the foreseeable future. And I have laid down every single reason for that to happen. And then I've also laid down my entire strategy to tell you at which price am I going to sell the stock. So yes, I have purchased the stock when the stock was undervalued, especially when the price of the stock has collapsed. I've also laid down the strategy at what price am I going to sell that stock. And I also went on a live stream to literally show you how I analyzed the company and how did I come up to that conclusion. And this is just one out of top 8 stocks that I suggested on the Investing Academy. So when you understand how investing works, you understand how easy it is to make money in the stock market. And all of this is still available on the Investing Academy. And whenever I come across a really good investment, I immediately post it on the Investing Academy, especially right after I have made the investment myself. So if you don't have the time to analyze stocks, if you want to know what are the best investments to buy in the stock market right now, if you want to be the first to know that, then join the Investing Academy. And if you use the link in the description of this video and join the Academy today, you will get a 67% off on the annual subscription. So go ahead and join the Academy, and I will see you there.